Here again. I get a lot of questions around communication, and particularly in the SEO industry, a lot of people's like, "Oh, I hate talking with my staff. I don't like talking to clients," and generally a lot of people who are uncomfortable with a lot of communication. Right. My number one advice: Toastmasters.org. I myself have been doing public speaking with Toastmasters for about 10 years, and I can really recommend it as a super way of becoming both a much better communicator, but also much more comfortable communicator, right? So I love Toastmasters. It exists all over the world, pretty much any bigger cities in the world. And it's a really good way of both putting yourself under a little bit of development pressure, meeting likewise, like-minded, amazing people, and overall just a great way to develop yourself and increase your skills. And no matter what personality you have, communication is the single most important and most frequent thing you do as a human being, right? So even if you aren't good at it, it's probably the one skill you want to spend a fair chunk of time developing anyway. So look forward to talk to you again soon.